playing fishing.
Pero marami natatawa market.
Yes, she's speaking Tagalog.
Pero kung sino matalo i-swim.
Sinong matalo siyang tatakbo sa labas? Okay, ayos lang namin guys.
Kasi boys, mabiyamin to Shopee ito. Sa night market, kung ano yung mabiye.
Yan.
Let's go! Sisindi pa ito po. Sisindi pa ito.
Okay guys, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I got one, pero mahirap yung game ito.
Yes.
It's not hiyapin. It's easy peasy to me. Pero
Me
mahirap.
too.
Pero fun, guys. Pero maganda ito game. Kasi hindi ito sisira yung maistawang po. Pag mawala mo, ibigay ka yung iba. Yung maganda.
Guys, I get one. This red one. Yeah, I got one.
Guys, gusto yata or hindi? Ay? Gusto yata?
And I get another one. It's blue. I will help you.
No, easy peasy to me.
It's so hard.
Yeah, it's so hard, you
Guys, I found another one. I will give it to you because you don't have fish.
Guys, gusto niya ito games? Gusto
Sabi mo tayo takot ng nung
Gusto
sinabaw ng
yung
dala mo.
Wait a minute. Wait mo lang ako dyan, Timpla ko.
sa saan na yamin.
Para to ulihin eh. Para siya ulihin.
Natatanggal.
Saan mo siya kakagatin?
Ito, kamay ko. Kamay ko ang
Okay. Ganda. Hirap naman.
Hayap yan. Ang mga pinang. Hayap kasi.
Aha! Hirap naman. Ito nakanganga.
Ito pa.
Aha!
Ang pinang ito. Ano? Aha.
Isa mo manganga.
Aha. Aha. Ay. Guys, gusto niyo ito? Mahirap. Kaya kasi.
Guys, I'm back. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Guys, gusto niyo ito games? Kahit mahirap ito, easy ito.
Okay, where's mine? Guys, huhuli ulit kami kasi nawala ako kanina. Kasi may ginawa ko. Okay.
Kasi magawa kami yung fishing.
I got one.
I-stop niyo ito dito.
It's yellow. It's a part of my fishing rod too. Here. Lalagay natin dyan. Ay, ilalagay natin sa circle natin.
Pero pero kung ano kung nahanap nyo yung karyedo dito. Kung saan yung karyedo. Ito
Yeah.
yung
You really think you're gonna
Hi.
I got one that's red.
Why would I care at all?
And I'm gonna put it here.
Switch the games.
Guys, sayang ko. Makunin ako, guys. Magpapakakunin ako.
Ito, nakuha ko orange.
That's not even this.
Saan dito yung orange?
So that girl
Here.
that you've been
Ito,
torturing for her
green.
entire life
Red.
is yours
Yeah.
and Jason's biological daughter.
Guys, pagkakuha ko, guys. Pagkakuha
Want to
ko.
watch more? Download Drama Wave.
Nalaglag.
Guys, ito ito cute ng fish.
Pero yung
Here.
pagmawaki, pero ka-cute yung mga fish.
Yes.
Pero kung mahirap game ito, pwede yung mga kung ano.
Okay.
May supot ito. Kaya
I found I got
upo
yellow.
tayo dito.
No.
Upo tayo dito. That's mine.
Guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 left. And if we're finished, we're gonna goodbye now. Ito. Ian, can you help me?
Yeah. I just working something.
Oh, cool. I got one.
I just working. Work muna ka.
Okay. I found it. Here.
I got chair. Magpapako ako. Saan yung sa akin ay?
Here.
Dapat kakapantaya.
Here, a green.
Panay.
Here, guys. Yeah, no.
Madaya yung isa dyan. Hindi marunong maglaro. Madaya yung isa dyan. Hindi marunong maglaro.
Dito.
Ikaw.
You know.
Ayun na ba yan? Ah,
Ha?
ayun yan.
Ito yung kasama namin.
Nakaiyan pala eh.
Yeah, no. Guys, I found this. It's so cute.
What is your mommy?
And that's my little brother. And that is Ian. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. It makes 2 hours. So I going to